Wicked for Good is one of the most expected films this year after the release of the first part of Wicked, which became a global cinematic sensation and the most successful Broadway film adaptation of all time. Ahead of the UK premiere, you can visit the Wicked experience in Westfield, London. Explore the spectacular sets, see iconic props, behind-the-scene photos, and immerse yourself into this journey that brings the magic of movies to life. This Wicked experience is absolutely free of charge, but you have to book a time slot. It is open from 13th of November till 4th of January, so if you're a fan of Wicked, make sure you visit this place. Follow the yellow brick road, come face to face with the wizard, pop in Glinda's flower room, cast a spell and try out Elphaba's enchanted broom. This experience is so fantastic for adults and children alike.